This is an aerial view of Ocean Bay Estate, which is located in Chevron at the second toll gate. Isn't it lovely?
Hello everyone, it's Iveoma, your guide to Nigeria, and today I'm going to be showing you two different properties by Powerview Group Real Estate. I'm going to show you Sussex.
And I'm also going to show you Cambridge. Cambridge is the new development that people are snapping up right now, so stick to the end of the video to learn more.
Both are located in Ocean Bay Estate. All of this is coming up. Please make sure to like, comment below. Those are amazing ways to support my channel. Thank you. There are 6 spots for 6 flats. So first thing I want to show you guys, very random, I know for my audience, but this is your electricity meter. Everyone who lives here has their own meter, and it controls electricity, and yeah, so that's really important. That's something I had to learn when I moved back, that I needed to take care of that myself. So just letting you guys know. So we're climbing up now to see our first apartment. I'm excited about that.
Hello.
Hello, Tamayan.
Hi, Iveoma. Welcome to my house.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
How many bedrooms and bathrooms is this place?
Okay, so we have 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. 3 of the bathrooms are fully en suite, while one of them is a guest toilet. And then we have our kitchen, which is kind of semi-open. And then we have a small space that's supposed to be a study. We're going to turn it into a children's playroom.
Very nice.
And then right over there we have our prize, our Pent terrace there.
Okay.
Which is fantastic, if you ask me.
It is fantastic. I'm getting a lot of breeze. I'm feeling so fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really like the air over here.
And then at night it's simply spectacular. Like,
Yes,
yeah.
I believe you.
And then we can hear the ocean waves, like by sitting right over there, you know, and it feels like the ocean is right next to you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys this. I'm super excited. Powerview Group is partnering with my audience. If you tell them you've seen this video, you will get 2 million naira off a sales price of a unit, of a house. They're giving you 2 million naira off if you tell them you've watched this video.
Welcome to the kitchen. This is where some of the magic happens. I think the kitchen is really nice. It's cozy. You know, everything is right where you need it. You can just stretch your hand and get it. And then down that way, you have a store.
When you got this place, all of this stuff came with it, right? The stove, all of these things that we're seeing.
The stove, the oven, and the extractor hood came with the kitchen.
Okay.
The sink and then the faucet as well came with.
This fancy faucet?
Yeah, came with it too.
Wow, this is legit.
Yeah, like blew my mind, to be honest.
Yeah. And then the cupboards are the same for when you first came, right?
Yeah.
How it looks.
Yeah.
You didn't touch anything.
We didn't have to make any modifications to the kitchen. How we came in was how we just furnished it, really.
So I actually really like how you and your wife decorated the house. I also see some of her artwork on the walls. Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. I really do. The breeze, you know, 24 hours power, 24 hours water supply. Great neighbors too, if I may say. And then in the mornings I come out, I do some stretches here. My yoga mat is actually inside. And then in the evening time I sit out here and I bring out my laptop and then I do some work too. So it's like a paradise in Lagos State, to be honest, if you ask me.
Aww.
Yeah.
So how was working though with Powerview Group, like renting from them?
It was really easy, really easy. You know how people like to dribble you and say, oh, one thing here, one thing there. It was quite straightforward. I was told this is how it's going to be, this is how it's going to be. I was sent the contracts, I paid, I signed, got my keys, and the onboarding was quite straightforward. And then considering the fact that it's a new construction, whenever we had some slight issues, like they were quick to resolve everything. So it wasn't a case of me just moving in and then them throwing me out into the wild saying, yeah, we've collected our money, you're on your own. Nah, it was actually quite different. Like they've been very helpful.
Let me give you guys some facts. Powerview Group built and already sold this unit, this penthouse, so I won't be discussing price, but at the end of the video, I'm going to show you Cambridge Row, right? And I wanted you to kind of see the quality of their work, of a finished product from them, their penthouse, and so you can apply that mindset to Cambridge Row and any other future projects they have. This property has 24/7 light, 24/7 security. It is in a gated community, Ocean Bay Estate, and high-speed fiber optic cables are used. Time to move on to the next property. But as you guys can see, like the stairs are even, which I know is like really random for me to say, but I all of you guys who buying properties in Nigeria, you guys understand what I'm saying. The stairs are all even.
Hey everyone, so I am standing in front of Cambridge Row, these two uncompleted buildings. It's 18 total units, and the reason I showed you Sussex, so you can envision how Cambridge is going to look when it's finished.